And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this laptop docking station. As you can see, it's compatible with tablets, laptops, flash drives, mouses, all-in-one PCs, etc. Let's cut our seal and open it up. And let's see what we're working with here. We'll slide it out of the box. That's it for the box. Got a little product manual here for the model AS0103. All-in-one USB-C hub with triple display. Lots of information in here. Details on the features and everything, the video output, speeds of the USB-C and the Ethernet port, etc. And then this, in this very nice container here, is nothing else than that. Got some information here on this sticker. That's pretty good to see. And this is the hub. So made out of like a nice aluminum. Got your USB-C port here to plug into your computer. Then you have two USB 3.0s, two USB 2.0s. You have a micro SD card or TF card slot, a regular SD card slot. On the side, you have a display port as well as an RJ45 connector to plug in an Ethernet cable to make your computer hardwired. And then this side, you have two HDMIs, another USB 2, a standard USB-C, and a power delivery 3.0 USB-C port. So this would be great for a laptop user, definitely somebody with a newer Mac, as the Macs only have like one USB-C port on them. So you could plug this in and you'd be able to plug in multiple extra monitors, of course, up to the amount that your Mac supports. But most importantly, you would have a total of 5 full-size USB-A ports and 2 extra USB-C ports with this laptop docking station. So that will essentially do it for this unboxing and look at this laptop docking station. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.